Hey, Princess, so I know you wanted to see this thing. I'm gonna put the bird on it in a minute. Okay. Now, I'm gonna turn you off. I'm about to get the birdie. Hey, you want to be out your cage right now? Of course you do. So yeah, birdie's right here. I'm about to put him on the car, have him fly around, have fun. And since you didn't get to really see, you don't get to really see because you're at the airport or in the plane. Why not show you? So, come on, bro. Stay exactamente on. This doesn't want to stay. Stay right there. There's some you can. So, I don't know if he's gonna stay on, but let's try it. No, he's not. Let's see. Come on, birdie, you gotta grab on of this, grab and grab. No, you gotta grab two things. Okay, hold on. He's like, nope. Whoa. Come on.
Hey, what's up with it? We back at the crib. You already know what's happening. That's how it's going to go.
You can pick him up if you want. Here, all you gotta do, literally all you gotta do. Come to him, pick him up like this.
Like that.
Oh, he's not gonna do that. He's still a baby. But here.
To be on my now.
Now look.
I don't want him to fall in.
He doesn't fall. See, watch.
Know, but I don't want him to
fly off.
Me. Yeah.
You're gonna come to the park with us?